Hi, good evening everyone. Actually we have come up with an idea to solve the problem faced for the deaf people, where they cannot hear all the voice like other people. So for that me and my teammate Saga, we have decided to come up with an idea where for example we have designed a glass like this. So if they wear this, they're gonna see the text of the voice heard by the what a deaf person hears from other person. So
actually he won't be able to hear it. That's why suppose I am having conversation with him and I am deaf here. So what my glass will do is he'll speak something and my glass will have an API that will convert that voice into the text, and I can see it on my glass. So that's what he was explaining.
Yeah, and the workflow goes like this. So here in this app, we have two options like login and register. If you click the login, so we can just log in using the username and password. So once you click login, you have to pay that this kind of device first to use that API. This app uses voice to text API. So to run this API, we need to connect these devices through the Bluetooth. So for this, we need to do the pairing. So once we do the pairing, and here is the side menu. So in this, we can turn off the glass. We can turn on and off the text on the glass. And then here is the dashboard and the settings. In the settings, they can customize the color of the text, what they can see, and things. And in the dashboard, Sagar will explain the dashboard.
In dashboard, we can see conversations folder, listen, favorites, and backup. In conversation folder, what we'll be able to do, if we click on the listen button, we can see all the chat that is being heard, and we can see it on the screen. It will be in the chat format that we can see in the conversations folder. That if we click on listen button right now, so it will start recording that chat, and as soon as we click on the listen button again, it will stop, and that conversation will be saved like one file in the conversations folder. So we can just read that conversation again. And in favorites, we can just choose a conversation from conversations folder, and we can just click on start button, and that will be saved in favorites folder. And the backup option is for saving all those conversation on cloud or in our PC. So
yeah, the connections.
Yeah, these are the conversations. We can also delete those conversations from there.
And if the deaf person if he goes for the conversation, if he goes for any summits or meetups or something, if he wants to save all those texts or something, so that's how this kind of recording on the listen options comes into place. Yeah, this is our idea.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah,
No, it's very